everybody. Today is another proud day for Christenson Transportation and its drivers and our lease purchase program. Dwayne Imler has completed 1 million miles of driving, paid off trucks, got a brand new extended hood Peterbilt out there that he's very proud of, and we couldn't be more proud and happy for him. Drivers like Dwayne that help promote us on the highways and help us win safety awards and do all these other good things. So very fortunate to have him and his safety and his tenure. And hard to do 1 million miles, and I'll always say it, but it's 40 times around the world. So I doubt many people have done that, especially being safe. So everybody give Dwayne a big hand and appreciate him.